Hey guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to another video. So today is Monday. For some of you guys, y'all might think it's the holiday. Hey, watch that ball. Y'all might think it's the holiday, but it's not. Just saying. Don't get mad at me either, but it's not. But guys, hope you all are having an amazing day no matter what day it is. I'm trying to get away too from saying the days of the week. I just really want to go by when the sun come up, when the sun go down. Just saying, don't get mad at me, y'all. But welcome back to another video. What am I doing today? I got the boys right now. It's around 3 o'clock. I'm going to go to Aldi's and get a few things, just a few things. And that's about it. Y'all want to see outfit of the day? Outfit of the day. What you got to say? Ay. So I got on my little Jesus sandals, Jesus huaraches. That's what they used to call them, y'all. My black top with the swaying and my distressed jeans. That's what they used to call the shoes, huaraches or something. Am I right or wrong? I don't know. Let me know in the video. Let me know down below. What did they used to call them? I call them Jesus shoes. Okay, don't get mad at me. But yeah. Hope you guys are loving yourself today. It's very important that you love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. Yeah. So now I'm going to turn this camera around because I'm going to show y'all my plant. And I'm going to show y'all that I trimmed her down a little bit and all that good stuff after we had that talk on the live. So this is what I did to her so far. I trimmed her. Like all of these, I just took off the brown. So most of the ones that had like this on it, I took those off. And we're going to start her all over again. But like this one, see how it looks weak? So this one here probably is going to have to get cut because it's like yellowing a little bit. So the soil is not that wet, y'all. Now it looks dark, but it's not wet. I can do this. So I'm going to let it dry out more and then we're going to start over again. It's gonna make me get them because they are screaming, yelling, and acting like something is really wrong. I got all 3 of them today. So hold on, let's see what they're doing because, man, they better cool it. Hold on, y'all. What y'all doing out here? Come here. Come say hi to the vlog. Come here. Come over here. Say hi, Amari. Say hi, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
How y'all doing?
Good.
You doing good?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Where you at? Where you at?
Right here.
Where you at? Right here, right here. Go ahead. Come here, Mari. Come here, Ally. Come here, Mark. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now, who did that? Who knocked over that? Better pick it up. Come here. What you doing? Where you at? Huh?
Here.
Where you at? Who is here? Where's here?
Here.
Who you hanging with?
Nana's house.
Huh?
Nana's house.
Nana's house. Nana's house. Nana's house. Come here, Ally. Come here. Mark, you put that up. Pick it up, because I ain't picking that up. Pick this up. Come here. I'm going to show you. Come on over here. Help me. How come he can do it? Help him do that. Put it on top of the other one. Scoot it over that way. Y'all come over here tearing down the joint. Don't be coming over here tearing down. Come here. Where you? Come here. Come here. Ally. Come here. Come here now. Let him come over here. Come here. Where you at? Where you at?
Nowhere.
Where you at?
Nowhere.
What? Where you at?
Nowhere.
Who am I? Nana. What? Nana.
No.
Where you at?
Nana.
Okay, tell the vlog hi.
Hi.
Hi vlog. Look, can't see your face. You didn't wave. 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 Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog.
No, you have to wave. Okay. So y'all, I'm about to take them with me to the store. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna make this thing work. So I'll see you guys in a little while, okay? Let me get them packed up. Sorry, but before we leave, I'm gonna show y'all. I think I showed y'all on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I showed the first step of the doing the actual thing, but I'm gonna turn this camera around so I can show y'all. So she got her stuff out because she's gonna get back to it. But this is dry, y'all. So I'm gonna put one more coat on it when I come back, and then she's gonna be able to spray paint it and decide what color she gotta do. So You see the black still here, those little pieces of black. I still will be able to remember like where those are. So I'm gonna trace it one more time today because this is dry. Like I said, this is really dry. I'm gonna go over it one more time, and then we're gonna probably spray it today. So yeah, I will see you guys when I come back with these kiddos. What you say? What you say? Y'all, they're doing too much. They're doing too much. But look, y'all, before we get out of here too, look at her. Look, remember those two that was down here? Look at them, y'all. Yay! Y'all, give me my roses and my flowers now, okay? Don't wait till I'm gone. So give me my clap, because she does good with her babies. Okay? So I'll see you guys momentarily. Talking to y'all. Talk to the camera.
We should do.
Dude.
Souffle.
Huh?
Souffle.
No, they're not dudes. They're subbies. Say hi, subbies.
Hi, Shelby.
Are you on your seatbelt?
Hey.
Y'all, I got the Three Musketeers, honey. Let's see how we gonna bag up out this driveway.
We should bump. Don't call people bum.
Don't say that. Do you got anything good to say? Say something good. Can you say something good?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, this is my first time bagging out the driveway by myself. Yeah, say something good. Don't be saying nothing bad.
You know,
Hold on, let me put my
black, you're black, you're black, you're black, yellow.
Do y'all got anything to say? Children's? They're just gonna enjoy the ride?
I don't know, yeah.
Huh?
I want to say something.
Go ahead, say something.
You know, yeah.
Hmm?
You know, yeah.
Do I know what?
You know, yeah.
I don't know what is he saying?
He said you know what it is.
Do I know what is? Huh?
You know, yeah.
What is?
You're black, you're black, you're black.
He don't even know, y'all. Y'all like my little thing? Remember I told y'all I was gonna cut the my shirt from yesterday. I was gonna cut it off.
I did,
Yeah. You do?
Yeah.
You wasn't even there. But anyway, this is off my shirt.
Wait,
So-
go back.
Go back where?
Go there.
Go back that way?
Yeah.
We gotta go this way. We gotta go to the store.
No, I want to see the black house.
Oh, that little boy?
The black house.
Whose house?
The black one.
Oh, I don't know. Girl, y'all.
The black one over
He's
there.
just talking.
Go to the park.
We'll go to the park later, okay? Okay? So anyway, guys, I cut this off the shirt I had on yesterday, so that's what that is. So y'all don't have nothing else to say because I'm gonna end this video. They looking at y'all. Y'all done? Ally, you got anything to say? Huh? You can tell them to come back and watch another video or what? Tell them to subscribe. Y'all can tell them that. Tell them to subscribe. Say subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.
And share.
And share.
The Simply Natural Black Life Show. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in a little while.
Bye. Pink.
Uh-oh. Look, we here.
That you.
I didn't know that. I didn't recognize your car. It was so clean. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all ready to get out?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? Y'all get out. Get out. Hold on. Oh yeah, Lord, y'all. We gonna try this. Come on, somebody get the bag. Get the white bag on the top of my thing right here. Get that. There you go.
Talking to you, peanut head.
Pick it up.
What's good? What you been up to? You getting tall.
Come on, I ain't got time for the foolishness.
Y'all gonna get left behind.
Get over here. Over here. Y'all, they be
You
doing
gonna get the butt whooping.
they be doing so much. Come on, over here. Get your butt over here. I will see you guys in a minute because I gotta get down. Because I'm gonna go ahead and cook for them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the do the vase. So I got some mixed greens because we're gonna have a salad. I got spinach. Picked up them some. Y'all got it? Y'all need help?
The water stuck up there.
I know. Y'all told me it was stuck. You have to wait till it come down. I got some country fries. They got the skin on them. I never tried them, so they got that. I bought them a veggie cauliflower pizza. And MJ wanted this cheese for 99 cents, so I'm going to put that on it. Got 2 things of kombucha. One is pomegranate and one is watermelon. I never tried these. So this ain't no haul. I'm just showing y'all what I grabbed real quick. And I got an antioxidant juice here. And they wanted this raspberry lemonade, so I got that. So I will see you guys in a little while because I got to put this pizza in the oven and all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll come back shortly. So just wanted to show you, like I said, what I grabbed real quick. And that's about it, guys. The guys are complaining right now because where's my pizza pan? My pizza tray. But anyway, let me go, y'all. I gotta put the pizza in the oven. I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? Y'all, we about to eat, so I'm gonna show y'all the plate. Y'all know what is so cute? This one right here said, what you want to watch?
Nana.
He wanted to watch my channel, so that's what we about to do while we eat our food. So this is what everything looks like, guys. Everybody dig in. Say y'all's grace. Say your grace. Say grace. Grace. Amen. So guys, that is going to do it for us today. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always remember to what? Love yourself so that you will be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Say bye, y'all.
Bye.